Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna, and here basically we are discussing about the currencies. And in currencies, basically, we are talking about the currencies dependency. And this topic is ongoing of earthquakes. In this, basically, we are discussing that how the one small planet basically created the entire idea of the each and a 5 crore planet. Now, basically, one person asked the question. Uh, the question basically is, do you have the data of the software company who generated their each and every software into human needs? That software company has generated, assume, 4 to 5 vegetables, and 4 to 5 vegetables entire data basically you have. Then he told that which kind of data. Then he told that, for example, apple was generated around 5 lakh kilogram. 5 lakh kilogram. Potato was generated 10 lakh kilogram. Like this, in kilogram basically you have the data. Then he told that basically yes, we can sum the data. Then he told that do you know basically how many people has eaten that human needs basically? That World Bank organization basically have the data, who collects the data periodically of each and every human basically. From that basically we can get. Then basically do you have the data, which kind of ideas basically they have generated? That data we don't have. That data we need to collect. Uh, you have generated the ideas, right? Basically, by creating the apple, basically, you know that this potato is going to generate this idea. But in real, basically, which idea was generated? That you have from entire area, from Twitter, from Facebook, from each and every social media. Also, you have to collect, because Apple creation with the digital world and non-digital world. That data basically. That data we need to collect basically. That will take. That is basically tough data. Then basically he told that uh, do you have the data of the total human needs which is created from the software industry, which has generated the planets? That data we don't have basically. That data satellite groups only have. Then basically the another question was, you have that data basically who the planets are generated from the this 4 to 5 human needs. Planets generated, but planet basically connected to how many planets? And then basically that data you have. Then it was that no, that data basically we don't have. Then basically when that planet basically entered into that here basically assume that it's a 5 crore planets. Do you have the list of that 5 crore? No, we don't have. Then basically the question asked is, do you have the user stories? Assume that the 5 crore has entered into the energy basically on the base of certain trigger basically, entered into the planet 5 crore. When entered, you have the data? No, we don't have the data. Then basically he asked that basically, do you know how when the human basically started the journey in the 5 crore each planet? No, that we don't have the data. Then basically, do you have the data uh, on the base of the 5 human basically staying in 5 crore planet basically, when they attracted to the this energy basically which you created the human needs basically? Other than basically you basically when you are going to pass the data of the activation, that time is okay basically. But in real basically it has activated at that time only, or basically it activated some after some certain level of process basically. That data you have? No, we don't have that data. Then basically after that assume that it has activated, and it is going to generate some certain level of planets. That data you have? No, we don't have. How many planets it has generated? That data you have? No, we don't have. So like this, basically, the entire chain data basically of the current software industry creation basically. This is the perfect chain basically. Reason behind is everything should be clear basically. That's why. So each and every creation basically in universe based, because nowadays basically Earth Planet software company basically have already jumped into the universe energy basically, right? They have created the planets also. They have connected with the ideas also in other planets basically. Their idea basically has connected to the other planets also. Like this basically they have already connected to the data basically. So like this basically the data basically satellite could basically 100% idea having, but Earth planet basically don't have that idea basically. So that basically it should be clear that basically the software basically which is creating the Microsoft, or basically Microsoft Java or SAP basically they have created the areas basically. That area basically is perfectly basically generating the ideas in Earth planet. It is generating, but it is generating same the idea basic which is on the base of which the system is created. That idea is generating in universe, or basically it's not generating. For that basically data is required. So like this basically lots of things basically are there which are basically connected directly. So like this is also a little bit about the currencies dependency. In next video we are going to see a little bit more about the currencies dependency and earthquakes.